I don't want someone who likes cats. I'm a dog person.
Okay. What's your type physically?
Fit.
Just fit?
Fit. I need to meet someone more grown.
I have a beautiful client. She's 31.
I wasn't really thinking 30s.
I'm not asking for a miracle. I'm trying to settle.
I promise you're going to marry the love of your life. I have heard every reason why a person wants to get married. He makes my sister jealous.
How many marriages are you responsible for now, Lucy?
9.
You're the matchmaker.
You're the brother. What are you doing at the singles table?
My mother wants me to marry.
I can help you with that.
Are you hitting on me?
Harry, you are what we call a unicorn. Wow. An impossible fantasy.
What's your dream vacation?
I don't even have a passport.
Yeah, let's get you one.
John,
Lucy? Definitely didn't expect to run into you today.
I missed you.
Missed you too.
You're the same as always.
Really? I was hoping you'd say I was different. Guess then I wouldn't be the guy that lost you. You seeing anyone?
Yeah.
Not gonna marry him, are you?
Why not?
Because he's good looking and rich. Probably doesn't have roommates.
That's my charger. What the?
And how is David?
He moved in with his fiance.
The TikTok girl?
She does OnlyFans now too.
Good for him.
You're exactly what I'm looking for, and I know I can make your life better.
When I see your face, I see wrinkles and children that look like you. So where does that leave us?
You're looking for a nursing home partner and a grave buddy. Who our partner is determines our whole life. Not for 1, 2, 10 years, but forever.
Oh my God. I need you so badly.
Yeah, I'm desperate.